Ayaw lang.
Maliw lang ito, sa ubahan.
Sinilas na akong itaga kaning. Sinilas. Oh, da. Ikaw jud luri na lang, sige.
Nobody gonna stop us. People, everybody, would you listen to us for a start? No point complaining unless we partaking. We represent the cause of the ones fallen. We resemble true art when we bust the line, flip the rhymes from our heart. It's never gonna be another. Everybody stop portraying undercover. Come to see my land. Come to see my land. See what we strive for. All these lyrics stressing out struggles in the metaphor. We've been through it all, every day crying, but we held on to that one silver line, hoping and praying the one that we be heard. The signs that we illustrate, we know what can be said. If you could take your time to stop and feel the pain and the scars that have already been healed.
Hi guys, for this video, daan may ari sa dagat nagtutuan na sakay aning tuan pambut nga mapuro tara. Rubberboat. Ay ujay, rubberboat. Ikaw kayong dagat ko, makita arang tuon. Gato.
We can make it if you let us be what we can be. Now we can take it. You come from the sun, no you come from the moon. Ramu can see the house, everybody come from and out. Come to see my land. Come to see my
Na may gusto.
Wala ra ba, sir? Kumaktibo mo sa kalay sa maraming na siya buha.
Naging kay makita, mata na din ay nagtugma. Puso ko may kulang, napuno na lang bigla. Bakit kaya pag-ibig na kaya?
Hala! Ang artista nga sa billboard, mao'y nagkanta sa music, mao pagi akong kadik. Ang problema lang, ani, is ako ba ang iyahang Mr. Right? Ako ang imong Mr. Right? Kinsa imong Mr. Right? Ako?